even if I knew how to juggle, I was scared to death of standing in front of an audience, all because of something that happened in 7th grade. Is I have something called social anxiety disorder. Terrified. Fear sees a threat. Anxiety imagines one. Hey, wait, it gets better. Left-handed. Thank you. If you can do it twice, then we call that skill. Yeah! Because if I was with a group of people and I could juggle a little bit, then people seem to let their guard down, or I let my guard down and let them in, and I wasn't afraid as much. Thank you! I want to give you some options for help. You do not have to wait until you're 55 years old to ask for help.